So one of the documents that I showed you there was an assembly drawing. So this is a kind of an example project, but it gives you the views, the layout, the parts. Now, not to kind of dig deep into the parameter area, but the way that you set up your parameters, and we're going to be discussing this in more details coming up here, is that you can set up your parameters in a way where you use a parameter, define that parameter based on your variant. Every variant is going to have its own name. Every variant is going to have its own number. Every variant is going to have its own revision. All right? And every time that you select this variant, that information is put into your document. So it's pretty cool. Basically, we're able to put in that new information. So every output, every assembly drawing that we output, we're able to put in unique information for that design.